In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello, my dear students, again. My dear students of grade 11, welcome to this recorded lesson of Unit 1. And today we are going to talk about tips for report writing. Tips for report writing. Of course, we are going to deal with the steps of the writing process. The steps of the writing process. First of all, we have what we call the pre-writing. It's think and decide. Think and decide. Make sure you understand your topic well. Number 2, research. And it means to find information or ideas like in the internet, from your lessons, and from your reading. Number 3, it's drafting. Drafting here it means write first your outline and then your first draft. Number 4, it's revising. Of course, after drafting you have, or after writing, we have what we call the step of revising. It means to make your writing better. Number 5, it's editing and proofreading. It's to make sure the meaning and ideas are conveyed in the best way. Now the topic you have here to plan and write an essay of 2 paragraphs. So you are asked in your exams in general to write an essay of 2 paragraphs, 14 sentences, 160 words. Now, how to write a descriptive essay? How to write a descriptive essay. An essay which is descriptive or based on a description. Step 1. Choose a topic. A descriptive essay will usually focus on a single event. Step 2. Create a statement. The next step is to create a thesis statement. A thesis statement. It means when I have to start the introduction, I have to start with a hook and a thesis statement. Step number 3, create an outline. Create an outline. I have to make an outline. Step number 4, to write the conclusion. So we have introduction, and we have to write first of all the outline, which is consisting of an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. Step number 5 is to review your essay. To review your essay, or to examine, or to review, of course, your essay. It's to read it again and again in order to make it better. Step number 6, it's to finish your essay, okay, and to finish it up. Now, how to start? Of course, here I have an essay, and how should I start? How to start? Now, first of all, you should provide a clear explanation of the topic. You have a topic in front of you, and you have to provide clear explanation for that topic. You should have a proper organization. It's important to organize your ideas, not to complicate things and not to disorder your ideas, and make a proper organization for them. Descriptive essay outline. Now, the outline of a descriptive essay. Start with an introduction, which should be short but informative. The introduction should be short, not long, not very long. but informative. It gives information. You have the main body. Here it's the introduction, outline. It is composed of, or it's consisting or made up of an introduction, a main body, and of course make a conclusion. Now, introduction. In the introduction, it's very important to pay attention to the opening sentence. It's very important to concentrate, to pay your attention on the first or the opening sentence, or what we call the hook of the introduction. I have to introduce all necessary pieces of information. I have to start by a background information, for example. I have to start with the definition of the topic, okay? Or I have to start with a question. Then help students understand the main idea, or I help myself to understand the main idea very clearly. Now, the main body. Of course, we have talked about the introduction. Now we will deal with the main body. First of all, I have to write the key ideas for each paragraph. It's very important here to make an outline and to write the key ideas for each paragraph in order not to make a disordered essay or an essay which is out of subject. Provide your paragraphs with supporting details. Of course, you have a paragraph. Every paragraph or each paragraph has to have a topic sentence and a supporting details. Finally, it's the conclusion. The conclusion is the most important part in the outline or in the essay in general. So here I have to give an overview. I have to give an overview. I have to prove the necessary of my topic. So here I have to summarize all the ideas which are mentioned before or earlier in the body. An outline model here. Look here. In your exams, you will find such or this example, like this one. It's taken from your exams, final exam. I have the introduction. Number two, I have the body. The body is made up of or consisting of paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. And I have number 3, it's the conclusion. So I have to write here introduction. For example, I have to write a sentence here, a hook sentence, and the thesis statement. Of course, this is statement. For example, I'm going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of television. So here I have in the first paragraph to talk about advantages, and in the second paragraph I have to talk about disadvantages. Okay, and here I have a conclusion. What I have to put here is to sum up and give my opinion or an overview concerning the topic. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you a lot for being with me today, and hope I see you in other recorded lessons. Goodbye.